YouTube, what's good? Another day. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're gonna switch it up and go with like a vlog style video. So I ain't got too many keys on this thing. Lock up the crib. So it's kind of murky out today. Got a little bit of weather. It's supposed to be coming in, but I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. So yep. Oh, let's go ahead and get this cold started. Y'all know how I go. Black horn. That cold starts something serious, man. Something serious. Check the bottom of my shoes. Make sure my little dog didn't set me up. So yeah, guys. Got a couple of things I'm gonna do today. Let's see. I think I got enough time. I need to go to Walmart and get me some stuff that's gonna help me like vlog a little bit better inside the truck. See the mail lady back there. You know, like the little suction cup things that I can either put to the window or hang off my rearview mirror. I don't know. I'll see what they got when we get there. But anyway, that's part of the goal. And then I'm gonna head to try to go get me a haircut. Because as y'all can see, I'm looking kinda, it's time. I'll put it like that. I am growing out the beard. I tend to grow out the beard when it gets a little bit colder. But the funny thing is the cold weather ain't really setting in yet. So it's all to the good. But yeah, so anyway, we're gonna try a vlog style situation and see how that works. By the way, you guys support the channel, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell and hit all so you can see all of the videos when I post them, and we can keep rocking together and let's grow this channel together. But anyway, I'm gonna be working. I'm kind of excited about the video that I'm working on this weekend, actually. So y'all know I got the Gen 5 T Style, the Linkswell T Style Radio, right? Matter of fact, that's it right there. That's the T Style, the Linkswell T Style Gen 5 radio. So one of the things I wanted to do is I was on the website the other day, Linkswell's website, and I saw that they had a Gen 6, and I was like, okay, that's dope. I also saw that they've also created an XL version of the T Style radio. So I'm basically I'll be working on a video that's kind of like a year review, because I've had this radio for like almost a year now. Or probably straight up a year. So I'll be working on that video, like a review video for that. And then I'll talk a little bit about the Gen 6 and do some comparisons. And you guys can decide. It's for 2019 and up, around 1500. So, and I mean, they have these radios, as I've said in previous videos, they have these radios for just about most of the makes and models of trucks. So, if you're not in a Ram, you're probably going to be able to find one, for your vehicle. So, but you guys just check out the website. I mean, I'll put the link in. Of course, the link and everything will be after I've uploaded it. But anyway, so we're gonna do a year in review of the Gen 5, the things I like about it, the things I don't like about it, and then I'll do a comparison video from between the Gen 5 and the Gen 6, and then I will do another video on the XL version of the T Style Linkswell that they've done. So again, it's, you know, a little series of Linkswell Radio videos. So I'll be working on those this weekend so I can get that out to you guys. A couple of different things have changed with the channel, and one of the things I realized is, like, I had a short that I did with like this black Cadillac out of Jackson. I saw it at a car show that I went to, and I did the short, and the short ended up getting like over 100,000 views. And I mean, hey, it really blessed my channel. But what happened is it inadvertently created 2 core audiences. So it created a second core audience for my channel. So my first audience, and you know, you guys know if you've been rocking with me, it was kind of based around just little things that I've been doing to my truck since I've had it. But then once that happened, you know, I go to car shows from time to time. Most of my shorts are based on cars that I see from car shows, car meets, or just something that's unique that I catch driving around town. So, you know, that's kind of what I use my shorts for. So I really believe that's what people are looking for when I post shorts. So I have a specific audience that's looking for one thing with the shorts, and then I have a specific audience that's looking for another thing with the videos. And so when I do, you know, things like radio reviews, and I feel like I'm gonna probably get geared towards more of the mechanical issues of Rams and you know, like Ram trucks in general. And I feel like my video audience really appreciates, you know, those things, as well as any other custom, you know, ideas or creations that, you know, we do to the truck. So, and I am keeping my eye open for something else for the channel. So, you know, trying to make this YouTube thing take off so we can have some fun, some freedom, and definitely motivate some of you guys to just tap into, you know, your talents and the things that's flowing on the inside of you, because, hey, it's there. Might as well tap into it, right? So if you can tap into something like that that's on the inside of you and create a situation to where, you know, you turn it into a business or you know, just a money-making situation, it's not going to feel like work because it's already on the inside of you. So you automatically have the discipline and everything that comes with it. Yeah, that's how we rolling. So, you know. That's a staple right there, y'all. Shipley Donuts, the best donuts ever. Okay, well, let me retract that statement, because a lot of people will beat me up over saying something like that. They some good donuts. I need to go by the bank too. And I need to get me some gas. My gas hand, y'all see with a gas hand, and try not to let it get too low. So I need to stop by the gas station and get me some gas so we can have that bad boy back on full. Let me park right here in between them. All right, guys, hold on. Let me put y'all down for a second. Get my stuff. Hit myself with a little teak wood. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Gotta smell good. right, y'all. So going in, try to make this vlogging situation easier. Going in through the auto center because it kind of comes into right where I want to be. Back there next to all of the electronics and things like that. So I don't have to walk all through Walmart, seeing people, having conversations. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? I ain't got time for all that. Not today. Hey, how you doing? My boy's getting it in behind me. Yup. Walmart off the chain. How y'all Walmart be where y'all live at? I'm already seeing people I know, but I'm keeping it low key. Being quiet so they don't see me. People in here Christmas shopping. Getting it out the way. Toy aisles is full. Let's see. You know what? I don't know why I came back. They do have some stuff over here in the electronic department, but I really should have went to the auto because they got more options. Hey, how you doing? Mobile charging, phone cases. I'm not trying to spend a ton of money either. You can get something simple, nice little quick, cheap setup. I'll probably order something off of Amazon like next time. But this was just a spur of the moment thing so I can have something to use quickly. I don't see nothing over here. They used to have some stuff over here. Still moved it. All right, well, anyway, let's go to the auto. Go to the auto part. That's one of the things that I had to get used to when I first started doing YouTube channels, is like going to public places and walking around talking to the camera. People tend to be like, who is he talking to? Why are you holding the camera like that? But once you get used to it, it's no big deal. So, see some auto stuff. They usually have the car stuff over here. Oh, they got it locked up. Smart car mount. So we got a couple of different options. So we got the joint up here, the dash and windshield, smartphone, extended mount. I may get that one. Or we got this little magic mount. I don't know, but I'm about to make a quick decision, so I'll let y'all know soon. All right, guys, so we decided to go with this one, the dash and windshield smartphone extendable mount. So we'll see how this work out. Black horn sitting over there in the cut. I can't see it, that car in the way right now. Hit that auto start on them. That thing look good between them two. What is these shipping containers? All right, people. So got the mount in place and we good. Good. So now we're about to roll. That's a lot better. That's a nice little setup going on now. I hope that thing don't fall off the dash. Right now it's like stuck to the dash. Like it can stick to your dash or your windshield, so it's like it's a pretty solid grip. Let's see, it's 10:01. I don't really have time to, I might need to stop at this bank right here, give me some money out, even though it's not my bank. Paid a little fee. I'm running out of time. Gotta be in Rolling Fork by 11. All right, YouTube, we back. Gotta make a quick stop. Still gotta stop and get some gas, man. Time just be flying. Some gas at a Shell. Back on right. No issues. Destination, so I'm gonna hit y'all as soon as I finish getting chopped. Peace. All right, YouTube. Appreciate y'all. y'all for rolling with me today. Again, y'all, please remember to hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, share the video so that we can get these watch hours up and so that we can continue to grow these subscribers. And again, thank you everybody for your support. I'm gonna see how y'all respond to like these vlog style videos, and that'll determine whether or not we're gonna continue to do that. But anyway, appreciate y'all. Hit that notification bell, and peace till next time.